Cotabato. I deserve to win the crown because I have a powerful advocacy to inspire and motivate others. And I really do believe that age and appearance is not a barrier towards our dreams, because there's nothing impossible with hard work and determination. And I have a determination to work throughout the organization. Thank you. Growing up, I always believed that following beauty standards makes you empowered, but I was wrong. Walking with confidence, uniqueness, what makes you empowered. Welcome to my home, Polomolong, South Cotabato.
The pineapple capital of the South, and its beauty of Mount Matutu. Polomolong is not only rich in pineapple, but also rich in culture. I was raised in Barangay Luwaki, Polomolong, South Cotabato, and I've been living here for 15 years. Municipality of Polomolong is a happy place. It's progressive and rich in resources. I am a dancer and a proud member of Klikuan.
Sa bawat tribo tayo nagmakisa, magbabagas mga yabag sa bawat puso, dala-dala ang karanasan saan man magtungo.
Mayroong gusto bang hanap mo? Pasyal na sa ating Cotabato. Iba't ibang kayamanan, halina't ating pangkustas. Mula kung saan naroon na paraiso, maging pasyalan, kainan tapto dito sabay-sabay. Natagisigaw, lalabag yung rivers, pang-pang.
I'm a young leader in my community.
Sabing hangin taglay ay humandar, humandar.
I am a model and a pageantero.
Sa bundok, kapatagan, lawat kagubatan. Sa Cotabato, nakakantig ng puso, saya, kasaganan, hindi ng bawat tribo. Sa Cotabato, nakakantig ng puso, mula sa bundok, kapatagan, lawat kagubatan. Sa Cotabato, nakakantig ng puso, saya.
Once again, I am Sonray Katimbang Horace, proud to represent Polomolong, South Cotabato.